Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making slime part 5, I think. No, part 3, but we've done 5 videos today with Ellie. Because you know, I'm going to make some videos with her while she's here. And because at home I haven't really been having much time, my mum is literally on her phone on Instagram. She's liking my post from like an hour ago. So I'm just like, Mum, seriously.
Very quiet, these two, aren't they?
Same, very good. This window frame is black. Black. It must be all the like the what's it from the kitchen.
Oh yeah, yeah. Well, the blinds never been down, you see.
Give me some green
the
frame.
Oh my
itself.
Ellie.
I've had to wash
working.
it off first and then
Ellie is literally
do it again.
I've got a new pack of lights upstairs.
Ellie, we need to add more
Yeah, I've got the lid.
I know, I'm trying to.
I've had to have the big ones.
Wait. Is it all
Still see the ones
These
in town.
only ones.
Hey?
I'm just used, but they're not as good. They're very small, you see. So you
Hi
don't
Ellie,
get-
why did you have to
It's
tip
like
it on the
false
table?
economy, because you're using twice as many because you've only got ones on your tiny.
I can still see the date on that window there.
I haven't done that
You
yet.
were saying that top 3 inches.
Oh, I haven't got it yet. It's filthy.
Mind you, it's a kitchen.
This
It's
has
been
gone
doing
like-
13 years, so that says it all, doesn't it?
Do you go now?
Whoa!
So, you know, this table is really...
just put the spoon.
Are you going, Royston?
Yeah,
What time is it?
5 o'clock.
Have you got me there for 5?
Well, it's at 5, yeah.
Right.
Because I'll run you up and then pick you up. Because when we go, I'll drop Ellie off and then drop you off.
Yeah. Okay.
And then pick you back up when you're ready.
It's working. Hi Ellie, but I hope the pink one can work so we can make some purple slime. So if we don't make purple slime, I'm going to be really angry. Where has the blue slime gone? Well, I can't see it. Kitchen papers in there.
Were you scared then?
Yeah, I was like, where has it gone? Is someone getting them in? Like, this slime is like, I don't know.
It's
We guys put this slime on now.
it's working.
Is working
Ribbons.
a bit, but like we added in like some activator, but like we spilled some on the table, and we don't want to put it on the table just in case it just.
Might be.
Like nothing's coming out. Guys, literally used a whole packet of activator. Like Ellie, but like I'd be like, if we probably didn't like spread a bit of activator on the table, then it would have worked, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
It would like,
Ooh.
we're still gonna do it. What are you saying you're on about? Guys,
It's working.
guys, it is working, but then at the same time it's not, because like when you mix it, it looks good, but then when you put it, it's like that.
We need more.
It's just watery. We need more activator, but then we only have one activator pack left.
Do we? No, we have two.
Do we?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay. Let's just go ahead and use the second activator pack.
There it is. Right. And it's wet, so I need to.
But only pour in a little bit of time, then I'll mix it, and then I'll tell you when to stop. But I want to leave it a bit underactivated. So,
Right, okay. You ready?
why is like everyone on Instagram now?
You ready?
Yeah. Stop.
I'm ready. You hold that for a minute.
I'm just filming.
Can I try mixing it?
Yeah. Please work slime. Wait, Ellie, just like touch it with your finger.
Dave,
What's it like? Yeah?
pass me that knife there, will you?
Wait, Ellie, have this. Why have you got a knife?
Thank you. To scrape off the paint. What did I say?
I think we might need a tad more. Well, that's enough. Let me just hold that for me. Come here. There you go. No.
I think that's enough because the other one's a bit stiff, isn't it?
Yeah. It is working. I just need a bit more.
Yeah, guys, it's working. Just a bit more, okay. Why is like everything like just like falling into it?
That's kind of in my way. Can you move it?
What?
No. Yeah. All the activators down here, so.
It like we use so much activator for one slime. We literally use up like 3 things of activator in order to only use one. Sometimes
Lots of
more.
work to read about, you know.
Yeah, I know. We'll get on that in a minute. Once the slime is done. I need. Should we add in a bit more activator? Or
Yeah, just.
nice. Okay.
Kind of.
Shall I add it?
Yeah. Listen. Finish.
Guys, this is actually so hard.
I think the pink slime's one of the.
Yes, how that don't work properly. Because like I think that like the pink like powder is stronger than the activator.
It's not that.
Should I do more activator?
Yeah, just a tad. Maybe I need to start it with some.
Wait, nothing's coming out.
You have to come here. You have to do it like that. It's like right like that. That's enough. Come on, activate it.
Where's all the slime gone?
Here.
Oh, there. So like a bit like where? Wait. Yeah, just like invade this. I maybe just like I'll mix it up with this spoon.
This pink one is not working.
I know, but like it's slowly working, but like it's taking a couple of.
It looks like it's working with the spoon, but as soon as you go in with your hands, you're just like, whoop, mistake there.
I think this will work now.
Let me hold that, so you can use 2 hands. I think I did a tad too much.
Yeah, just a tad.
Yeah, I think that's water.
Yeah. I think it's turning into water now.
There's still a bit in here. Pass me in. No.
We can't add any.
No. Sellotape.
Oh, so I think there.
You thought I was going to say that's some.
Activated, no way. Guys, I'm literally going in with my hands, but you guys can't see it. I'm trying to roll my sleeves up so I can go like.
What was that?
Wait, just try.
I lost the end. Why doesn't sellotape like me?
Same.
It always.
This slime failed. Let's just say that so there's no more purple slime. That's sad. We don't have purple slime.
What's it on?
Can you find the end?
Found the end.
Unless Ellie,
Yes.
Ellie, unless if we get these 2 slimes and mix them together and then put that one and that one.
Yeah, but then you've got no pink
Come
slime.
in, Chief, I'm going on it.
True.
And the pink slime's nice.
Yeah.
way, just leave it, and I think it's just the pink slime. Like this one, it works.
Yeah, mate.
Like that's really. Hang on.
I'll put it on that bit now.
Okay. There we go, that's all sellotaped up. We've got some left in there. Then I will leave these two as
This one is not mixing guys, and it's really annoying now. So we've come for like an hour, haven't we?
yeah. It's the blue slime turned out too stiff. Let's see if that's any. No. Still stiff.
But again, the water helped a tad bit, but like,
Let's remove this bit. Like these two are perfect. Like you bring them out, start playing with them, and you automatically fall in love. Like when I first touched this blue one, I was like, wow, it's amazing. Luke, though, I will keep that as it is because it's really good. Then the pink one, I will keep that as it is because I am in love with it. Let's just give up with that pink one. There's literally no point. It
yeah.
won't work.
Guys, this is the pink slime.
Not this one, that one.
This is what it is. I mean, it did work, but I think I threw too much dirt to it and it just like went to water.
Watery.
Yeah. Only if we had more pink in, well, yeah, like only if like we have one of them slime kits where it adds in like glue. And like then that would be much easier to fix. Because this one's like Nickelodeon. It's just like
Nickelodeon slime. Oh. Are these Nickelodeon slimes or just them?
all of it.
All of it.
Yeah, except for the white smiggle one.
Oh yeah, I should have just looked at that.
Like this is literally slime.
Yeah, why didn't you get that off? Yeah. Yes. You probably need another one.
Or another 5.
I'll give you 2. Okay. Just please don't touch me for now. Just until you got it off. Because my hands are perfectly. I saw a yellow. That yellow is my favourite colour. That yellow little sprinkle, my favourite colour.
Yeah, this is just so not working.
Should we add a few more where are the white ones?
Somewhere buried. And this is just some thingy.
There you go.
Thanks.
And now just
I don't know how we're going to clean this up. Should we just like... Maybe like if we just like spoon this up, but it might take forever. Like, right, I'm going to get a spoon and I'm just
should
gonna,
we add some more of these to the blue one?
Yeah.
Right, so we're adding more foam balls. So, oh no.
I'd be like, I would say like put the slime in there so if like foam balls don't fall off into the floor. Otherwise that would be fairy.
Or you could put it in there so it's a bit easier. So I could flatten the slime out like that. How many should I add in?
I don't know. I want to make it like actually flow.
For now,
Yeah.
and
I've been like a lot of red beads.
a lot of red.
Yeah. I'll tell you when to stop there.
I'll stop there just for now,
Yeah.
and I'll mix them.
Yeah, Ellie, but show them first before you mix it.
Yeah, so right now it looks like, I think like that. Hang on. It looks like that. And I'm gonna mix it. It will be hard because, well, it's a load of foam beads. They made foam balls, and I need 2. 1. Such nice texture. That is so nice. Just collecting the
Like, I've
rest.
never actually felt actual foam slime. It's felt like
Should I add
slime with a couple
more?
of foam balls in it.
Should I add more?
I don't know. Let me feel it.
Okay.
But
Because
like,
I think it could add. It could fold more.
I'm literally just like covering the container
Right. Look
with
at this.
That actually feels so
Should we add more?
sticking to my hand. What the heck?
Yeah, it's because you've still
Yeah.
got some pinks and white.
Yeah. Well,
Should we add more? Please say yes. It was so satisfying when I did. Just a few.
yeah. Wait. I want to add it there.
Okay.
Well,
let's just.
Which one do we have more of? Wait, I want to add in a bit more. I will like hold the camera so it can see. Then like actually like hold it. on top of it.
Okay, so like.
Wait, which fingers? I think that will, I don't know how much time. Wait, look. Look. And then like you move it in, then you click it. That is actually so cool. I don't know how many more it can hold. Let me see.
Maybe if I turn it on.
Let me just feel it. Right. I don't know if we should add more red. What do you think, guys? Comment down below which slime do you think was the best. Are you guys, but the title for this will be making pink slime, then #fail. But guys, comment down below which slime you think is the best. The new foam, this one, but I think we should add in more purple glitter. The green slime, or the wassamy bob smiggle slime. Yes, smiggle putty thingy me jingy. Hey guys, but I'm actually gonna like get the putty out. Dropped the lighting thing, which makes it light up.
I think they should make it smaller.
Yeah, otherwise like it's like more than the slime.
It takes over.
Yeah, cause look.
Should we add more red?
Yeah.
Okay.
But don't do it yet. Just like play with it.
Tell me when to add it.
Yeah. Guys, so that you ready?
Should I add it?
Wait. Look. It's like a bouncy ball.
Right. Tell me when. We only need a couple more, so I'm just gonna say.
Like,
You make a mess on that, I've just cleaned it.
I'm not bouncy ball. I'm just gonna play catch with the ball.
We've got to go in a bit anyway.
Okay.
We'll drop Ellie off and then we've got to drop Grandad off.
I love this slime. Right, I'm gonna come show you.
Guys, look. So. That's like. I feel it.
That basically is.
Oh my
a
life,
flame.
this is actually flame now. But you've got so many flowing balls. Like it has a couple of fallouts, so that's like okay. Ellie, but I do reckon we should keep this slime in here and then keep the blue slime in the other container.
Yeah.
Because then like if the foam balls do fall out, then like we don't really be like, yeah.
Oh, this is amazing.
Wait guys, I'm going to play with this slime actually on the table. This table is an absolute mess, but we'll clean it up.
Okay.
You know, and it's just like nearly got my phone. Oops. But like, I can't play with slime one-handed, it's really hard.
Nice.
I'm trying to find somewhere to stand it up, but I'm just like, no, I can't find it. But you guys, I don't think I've got slime on my phone, which is good. So, I could like, don't you hate it when like you get slime on your phone, then like you don't want slime on your phone?
You got it on your phone, please?
Do I?
Yeah.
Oh,
What's
so,
this big blob here?
That's pudding.
Pudding?
Putty.
Oh,
that's
pudding.
putty.
No, putty.
Oh.
This has like a tiny bit of bead fall out, like 1 or 2. Like it only falls out like,
How many sprinkles were there when you got it?
I don't know.
What should we add to this? Because it kind of looks a bit plain.
I don't know.
Should I add green? Which one should?
I think we should add in. Wait, I think we should add in the green glitter to go with the green vibe.
Can I just use this to put the other one?
On Ellie, we'll do it here.
Okay.
I then like you mix the glitter in, we like
Can I do it?
spread it on top, yeah. This is actually this video will end in 2 minutes actually. So, wait guys, let me show you.